getting ready for a snowstorm. It's supposed to snow, I believe it's like 5 to 8 or something like that. So we are getting loaded up with salt. The dump truck needs a little bit of transmission fluid, so I'm gonna go pick up some of that. Just get everything all ready for the storm. I think it's supposed to start snowing around 7 o'clock tonight and snow all the way till 7 o'clock the next day, tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna bring you along and show you everything that I do to get all set up for a snowstorm. So here we go. Alright guys, so we are here at Napa. We're going to run in, get probably 3 or 4 quarts of transmission fluid for the dump truck, and be on to the next stop. So, see you in a minute. Alright, went in here, got the Napa Dextron 6 for the transmission. It is an Allison transmission in that truck, so that's what they recommended, so that's what we're gonna put in there. So yeah, let's get on to the next task. So we are here gonna get some salt. We gotta unload the truck, get that all cleaned out, and then load up a pallet of salt. Here we go. got this salt put in the back of the truck. As you can see, I always just toss, I had 3 bags from that other pallet. I just tossed them on the side. We'll use those also. Get the snowblower put back in, shovels, and we'll be on our way. All right, so as you can tell, this truck is squatting a little bit. It is just a 3/4 ton, but if you can see in here, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, I have airbags in there. I need to put some air in them. So I'm gonna run home, put some air in them. It'll level out the truck a little bit more. But yeah, all right, on to the next thing. All right, so we're in my garage right now because it's quite windy and cold out. I did get the transmission fluid all checked, and that's all filled up. So that truck is all ready to go. My other truck, as you should have just seen, is the airbags are all filled up. Plenty of air in that. Last thing is to put the sheets paper that about to show you. This is what we use. Hopefully it comes up good enough. I have all my accounts right here I have blocked off, but then I have rows in and out. Every time you go to a property, you write down the time you get there and the time you leave. We have P for plow and S for shovel. So that we can separate those times. We also right here have shovel, yes or no, because we do not plow or shovel all our accounts. So that's what we have. We also color code them with this orange versus the yellow. Yellows are shovel, orange is no shovel. So it makes it a little easier for us to determine that. So yeah, that's how I do it. We go through all the counts like that. I also, the third line is where I put on if I salt or not. And in that way I know if I salted or not. I'm the only one that does the salting. We only have the one salter, so yeah. That's it. Now we're all ready for this storm. Now it's a waiting game. As soon as it starts snowing, we'll be out there. So till next time, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.